Today marks the complete new beginning. Your wedding lasts only a day, but the marriage that begins today lasts for the rest of your lives.
Well, Mikey, as your big sister, I'm so proud of you for continuing to be a woman that was steadfast. The word that I kept thinking of when I think of Michael is trust. He that began a good work in me will be faithful to complete it. And Joey, you completed it.
Baby, you look beautiful. We're on stage.
You look gorgeous.
Do you feel okay?
You look amazing. I love your dress.
You love it?
Love it.
Okay.
It's so perfect.
I love you.
Love you too.
Convinced that God uses marriage to make us better people. Because in marriage, we begin to learn what love's about. I encourage you today, and I charge you to constantly ask yourself the question, how does the Lord want us to do marriage?
I, Joey, offer you my solemn vow.
I, Michael, I offer you my solemn vow to be your faithful partner.
And I promise to love you unconditionally, support you in your goals.
All the days of my life.
This is the end of the road, but a new beginning. To see you guys both passionately seek God for a relationship that's gonna be abundant has been awesome.
God constantly tells us through text and scripture how to have perfect love, how to apply it to marriage, but he also gives us very real-world examples of himself. He pursues us, he tries to get more intimate with us. Joey, give up yourself to God. Give yourself up to Michael, your bride. We'll start with forever.